Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a topic that many Samsung users, just like Samsung A32 5G, encounter FRP. If you have ever faced a locked device after a reset, this video is for you. We will walk you through the steps to bypass FRP securely and effectively, ensuring you regain access to your device without compromising its security. Remember, this method is intended for legitimate use. So let's get started. First of all, you can see my verify your account page. Friends, this video is especially for Samsung A32 5G phone, but this method is working all the Samsung phones. So let's start the tutorial. First of all, go to the Wi-Fi network and connect the Wi-Fi network, and right there the Samsung FRP bypass in capital letter, FRP in a small letter, but bypass in capital letter. Now click on the save option and again go to this add network option and go to this setting option, and then the last option is the reset keyboard setting and erase personalized prediction. After completing that, friend, now go to this back and change your language section, and now go to English US, and after that go to this emergency code star 05979 Hz. Enter this code and now go to this, click on this and wait few seconds, and now enter this code and then wait few seconds. Now go to the sub key option, wait few seconds friends, and now release this. Now go to this black option and wait few seconds. After, click this power key and on your phone, and now click back friends, click back, and you can see this. Now go to this start option, agree to all and agree, and now more and agree, and again go to this there, and now right there settings, and there is text shortcut, and now write the www.google.com, and now write the FRP bypass. Now click to this add option. After clicking add option friends, now go back and go to this home screen and open the talkback. Press the power key button and volume up button for 5 seconds. Now click use and again do the same process. Now draw opposite L. Click while use the app. Click use voice command. Open Google Assistant. Open settings. Now turn off this talkback friends. Now you can use your second phone. Without second phone this method is not working, and make sure both phones are connected to same Wi-Fi. First of all, now open this phone, go to this Play Store options, search the Smart Switch app. After that, now go to this account and backup option, and now click this open. Now click this bring data from old device, and now click agree. Now click let's go and wait few seconds friends. Wait few seconds friends. Now smart switch ping updated. Now click continue, and now click more and allow friends. Now click to receive data, and now click wireless, and now click Galaxy or Android. Now click wireless and searching for nearby device using high frequency. Already. Now click to accept option. Searching for data to transfer. Wait few seconds. Now don't go everything, go to this only custom options, and now go to this accounts option, and now go to this setting option, and the last option, transfer. Now click OK, and now wait for a second. Now click all done to get the most odds of your new Galaxy. Check out the tips or no phone. Now this remove this phone, and now go to home screen. Okay, now go to start option. Wait for a second, agree to all, more, and agree. Now go next. Now you can see that, friend, there is a skip option in the left corner of this page. In starting a video, there is a no skip option. If we are successfully bypassed FRP on my Samsung A32 5G phone. So click on this skip option, bypass this page, and complete your setup. Now click skip and more and accept. Click skip and skip anyway. Click OK. Wait few seconds, friends. Please wait. Get recommended apps. Now click next. Skip and skip. You are all set up. Click on this finish. Now click OK option and click to agree option. Choose your language. First of all, choose your language, and now click to continue and skip, and now go to this install and finish. Okay, friends, please choose your language English. If any case your phone is not unlocked, so please comment with your model number. Thank you for watching, friends.